How is everyone doing today? Well, it's been really nice the past few days here. I think the cold weather is beyond us, which is awesome. Hope you're all out there in the garden, getting your gardens ready and going. And yeah, if you want to join us on our journey here, hit us the subscribe button there, give us a follow, subscribe, and share us around. But I just wanted to show you what I did this morning here in the garden. I got my Salanova transplanted, or some of it anyways, because it's ready to be transplanted. I watered it in real good. I've only got half a bed. I've got another tray I need to put out tomorrow. I'm just hardening it off. And I got 4 more trays I started last night. The garlic is looking really good right now. Really excited. It's coming along pretty good. Over here, these are 3 beds I just finished. Just finished this bed last week. So I need to get them raked out, composted, tilted in. And I don't want to plant too much out right now because it's still early May, and the risk of frost is still kicking around for sure till end of May at least. And I'm in zone 4 now. I used to be in zone 5, but zone 4 now, so risk of frost is even later here, which kind of sucks. But we're gonna do what we can. I still need to buy some roll covers. I need to buy some proper irrigation for here as well, because right now I've got the hose. I'm just watering with the hose. It takes about half an hour, but better than what I was doing in my other garden, which was hand watering. Over here, I've put carrots in last week. I was hoping to see some sprouting by now, but I don't think anything's germinated yet. It's taking longer than I was hoping. Usually with carrots, if you keep them moist every day for the first week, they usually do pop, but nothing has come up yet. I got some onion sets in here last week, and they're coming up pretty quickly. I transplanted my onions this morning. I actually did a video on onion sets versus onions from seed, but I misplaced that SD card, which is really frustrating. I'll see if I can try to find it, but so far I haven't been able to. So I watered these in really well this morning. And then down here are leeks. Not sure if these guys are gonna survive or not. They're pretty skimpy. But I might have to water them again tonight just to make sure that they're really well watered and not going to wilt. Over in this bed here, I planted some baby lettuce mix. So I think some of them are coming up here. Looks like there's some popping up here. So I hope so. Because that would be nice to get some lettuces going right now and have them ready to sell soon. And over here, I popped in some, what did I put in here? Oh yeah, beets. But nothing's come up yet. They've only been in for about 4 or 5 days. So I was hoping they would have germinated by now, but beets I always have a really hard time with. I've started them inside and transplanted them. I've direct sowed them, and just they never do well for me. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe I need some more nutrients. I think I read somewhere boron's good for them. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what I read. So I may have to look into getting some of that to pop in the soil for my beets. Oh yeah, and then down at the far end here, I'm making more beds. So right now, I've got this area tarped up because there's still lots of grass in here. So this is going to be killing off the grass for me to make it easier to make more beds, hopefully in about a month. It's probably going to take about a month for it to kill it off. This top tarp's blown over, but you can see it's already starting to kill it off, which is nice. I have to pull that over in a minute. But down here, what we're doing is crops that don't need to be too close to the house, that don't need to be watered as much, I'm putting down here just because I don't have irrigation yet. So it's just going to be easier for me to plant stuff here that I don't need to get to as much right now. But I got potatoes I planted this morning. These beds are a bit shorter. The ones up there are 50 feet long. This one I think was about 40 feet. So I'm going to hopefully get 2 more beds popped in here side by side next day or 2. The reason they're shorter is because I measured out 50 foot. I think I can put 2 more 50-foot beds in here, and it leaves me with 40 some odd feet. So whatever, it's all good. Still lots of bed. And then we might be getting some more fruit trees too. So if we do, we're gonna line this with fruit trees along here because this is a wasted space, and it'll give us a bit more privacy too. People can't really see in from the neighbors. But that's what the plan is right now for the garden. It's come along nicely now that it's growing season. Um, excuse me. So yeah, there we go. This is what I've been working on the past few weeks here. I haven't had time to make too many videos. Just, you know, hand digging this stuff is brutal. It's the last thing that I want to be doing, but it needs to be done. Hopefully these beds are enough for the next few weeks so I can get what I need in. And then this will be good for a few weeks. I can start hand digging this as well. And my greenhouse is coming along nicely. I'll show you guys that in a different video. But it's looking good in there. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed that short little garden tour of what I've been doing and what's planted in. Once I get more done in it, we'll do another quick update on it and show you how it's coming along. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you out there. Happy gardening!